Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, we were doing the chapter exponents and I was not feeling well. That is why videos were not coming, students. So students, I have already explained you how to express the large numbers in standard form, right? So now we will learn how to express the numbers in the expanded form. हम लोग नंबर्स को एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म में कैसे एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, वी विल लर्न अबाउट दैट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ नंबर इज देयर 560892. दिस इज योर नंबर. नाउ हाउ विल वी एक्सप्रेस दिस नंबर इन एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म? वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सप्रेस दिस नंबर इन एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म एज, this is the first digit 5 multiplied by 10 to the power of. Now from where this power will come? We have to count the numbers. Leaving 5, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 multiplied by 10 to the power of 5. Now there will be a sign of addition and note down the next digit 6. Now leaving 6, how many digits are there on the extreme right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So multiplied by 10 to the power of 4. Again addition sign. Now comes what? 0. 0 multiplied by, leaving 0, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. On the extreme right side of 0. 10 to the power of 3. Again writing the next number 8. Multiplied by 10 to the power of 1, 2. There are two numbers on the extreme right of 8. Plus 9 multiplied by 10 to the power of 1 plus 2 multiplied by 10 to the power of 0. Because I have already told you, anything having 0 as the power, answer is 1. So 10 to the power of 0 is 1. So this is how we express the numbers in the expanded form. Correct? Now how do we express the numbers in standard form? Now expressing the numbers in standard form, I am going to explain you that. But before explaining you that, I am taking one more example for the expanded form so that you understand it well. I am taking the question from the exercise 5B, question number 3. We have done till question number question number 2. We have to start from question number 3. So question number 3, first option is 684502. 684502. Now you have to write along with me. 6 multiplied by 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 8 multiplied by 10 to the power of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3 plus 5 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2 plus 0 multiplied by 10 to the power of 1 plus 2 multiplied by 10 to the power of 0. Now in this question, why I have not counted? The power was decreasing. As you will go on the right side, slowly and gradually the power will decrease by 1, 1, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay students? Now I am going to explain you the second option. So the second option is 4007185. So 4 multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 to the power of 6 plus 0 multiplied by 10 to the power of 5 plus 0 multiplied by 10 to the power of 4 plus 7 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3 plus 1 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2 plus 8 multiplied by 10 to the power of 1 plus 5 multiplied by 10 to the power of 0. This is how you are going to express the numbers in the expanded form. Option number 1, option number 2 will be your classwork. Option number 3, option number 4 will be your homework. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 4. Write the numeral whose expanded form is given below. आपको क्या करना है? आपको वो नंबर लिखना है जिसका expanded form दिया है. It is very easy, right? Option is 6 multiplied by 10 to the power of 4 plus 3 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3 plus 0 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2 plus 7 multiplied by 10 to the power of 1 plus 8 multiplied by 10 to the power of 0. Is this the number? Now you will simply write the first digits of every number to form the numeral. 63078. Right? This is the number. Which number is this? 63078. Now option number 2, option number 3 is left. You will do this option in the maths book and this option also in the maths book with the help of pencil. I have informed you about classwork also and homework also. So I hope you must have understood. Now expressing the numbers in the standard form. How do we express the numbers in the standard form? I am explaining it to you because I have explained it by an audio. So I am showing you some examples. Okay. How do you express the numbers in the standard form? 6428 3 times 0. Now you will place a decimal point just after the first number, remove zeros from the extreme right and then count the total number of digits leaving the first number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 multiplied by 10 to the power of 6. Writing the next number, place a decimal point just after the first number. Since there are zeros in the middle, so we cannot leave the zeros. If the zeros are at the extreme right like here, then you have to remove the zeros. But the zeros are in between, so it will be 9.208906 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 multiplied by 10 to the power of 6. So this is how you have to do the questions based on exponents. Now this chapter is over. Only one thing is left, that is square root. So let me explain you that also so that I finish the chapter today itself. Now what is square root? Square root of a given number is that number whose square is the given number. For example, if I am saying what is the square of 2? Square of 2 means 2 to the power of 2. You will multiply 2 how many times? 2 times. So square of 2 is 4. And what is the square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. यानी कि ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जिसे दो बार मल्टीप्लाई करने से we have obtained 4. So the square root of 4 is 2 and this is the symbol of square root. Taking some more examples. For example, 3 square. 3 square means you have multiplied 3 how many times? 2 times. So 9 is the square root of 3. If I talk about what is the square root of 16, what is the square root of 16? If you know the answer, you can reply to me in the comment section. The square root of 16 is the number which has been multiplied 2 times in order to obtain this number. So square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 16 is 4. Now how to find out the square root if you don't know the answer of a particular number? For example, I am giving you a question 289. Now this number is the square root of which number? How will you identify? For that what you have to do? You have to take the LCM. क्या करेंगे आप? LCM लेंगे 289 का. So once you will take the LCM, by which number this is going to be solved? Students, sorry, I have taken wrong example. It should be 296. In order to make it a perfect square root, we have to take the real examples जिनके स्क्वायर एग्जिस्ट करते हो मतलब कि आप कोई दो नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करने से वो पर्टिकुलर नंबर आना चाहिए. अगर नहीं आ रहा है, दैट मीन्स द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दैट नंबर डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो 296 का आप क्या करेंगे? एलसीएम लेंगे. सो टेक इट विथ 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, again 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. Now 37. 37 is not divisible by any other number. So 37 1s are 37. Square root of this number also does not exist. ओके, नाउ टेकिंग अनदर एग्जाम्पल. आप ऐसे ही चेक करेंगे. देखिए, स्क्वायर रूट को चेक करने के लिए आपको पेयर्स में नंबर चाहिए होंगे. ओनली वन पेयर एग्जिस्ट, दूसरा पेयर आपका नहीं बन रहा. दैट मीन्स स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 296 डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट. ओके, taking one more example, 225. okay, how will we find out the answer? 225 आप इसे सॉल्व करेंगे. 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, then 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. see, as you all can see that दो दो का पेयर बन रहा है आपका. जो दो दो का पेयर बन रहा है यानी आप इसको सिंगल मानेंगे. इट विल बी 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5. सो 15 का स्क्वायर रूट है 225. वंस यू विल मल्टीप्लाई 15 बाय 15 you will obtain 225. this is how you obtain the square root of the numbers. taking one more example. next example is 144. now take the LCM of 144. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. now 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. now we have to make a pair of 2 numbers. 1 pair, 2 pair and 3 pair. अब इन तीनों पेयर्स में से हमें सभी नंबर को एक ही बार मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3. सो 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. सो 144 इज ऑब्टेन्ड आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग 12 2 टाइम्स. जब आप 12 को 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे देन यू विल ऑब्टेन 144. यू कैन चेक ऑल्सो. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. See, I have obtained 144. So the square root of 144 is 12. So this is how you will obtain the square roots. I think question based on this are not given in your maths book, so I am not going to give any question based on square root. But yes, this was given in the maths books. That's why I have explained it to you. If any problems, any queries, you can comment down in the comment section. Bye bye. Take care.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.